Kevin has to take a shit! Wait, Kevin, are you seriously going?
Yes.
Alright, have fun in the wilderness. Make sure your ass doesn't get itchy.
Oh my fuck. This is the gayest shit.
No, Kevin. The good thing about this area is that no one's here except for us. So just do it. Just do it and take that. Just relieve yourself real quick.
At least it's like, if we never have ever, you can be like, never have ever shot in the woods.
Kevin, now you have something to say to your future children. Guess what, children?
I shat in the woods.
I took a shit in the woods.
It's all Joy's fault. It's fucking bagel.
Hey, I went out of my way to go away with it.
Wait, he needs something to wipe his ass with.
I'll use the map.
Yo, you got grass everywhere, dude. You got grass everywhere.
Wait.
Everywhere.
Oh.
Yo, Kevin, this is gonna go on Facebook.
No, it's not.
It's gonna go on Facebook.
Here, take the gauze out.
Ew, what?
Yo, that's Kevin's tissue paper. Kevin's tissue paper.
Okay, turn it off.
Yo, don't worry about it. Yo, I'm not gonna record you taking a shit. All right? Yo, don't worry about it.
I feel better now. Okay, let's go.
No. Kevin,
you're gonna die of blood poisoning.
I had water go up my nose because of Joy, alright? You better go take that shit.
Yo, I have water if you need like
no,
wash your ass with it.
Over there to get it for you. Here, just take it.
Wow, hold it.
Okay, your pockets.
This is terrible. Right, let's go. I feel better now.
Are you sure?
No, you
Yeah.
don't.
Yo, you're being
I
a
do.
bitch now. I know
You
you.
said that 2 seconds, then you're like, oh god, I really gotta take a shit.
If I do later, I'll go.
No, but
Kevin, I see you cringing.
just do it while we're in the forest.
I see you clenching.
Actually, fine. Wait a second. Let me turn it off.